The Delhi Darbar or Imperial Darbar was first held in the year A 1877, B 1884, C 1896, D 1903. The correct answer is 1877. Which Sultan implemented the Ekta system of administrative grants in the Delhi Sultanate? A. Sher Shah Suri, B. Iltutmish, C. Firuz Shah Tughlaq, D. Alauddin Khalji. The correct answer is Iltutmish. Kuka movement is associated with which of the following states? A. Goa, B. Kerala, C. Gujarat, D. Punjab. The correct answer is Punjab. Which of the following movements immediately followed the partition of Bengal? A. Non-cooperation movement, B. Swadeshi movement, C. Civil disobedience, D. Gadar movement. The correct answer is Swadeshi movement. Who once remarked, Nehru is a patriot while Jinnah is a politician? A. Maulana Azad, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Sir Muhammad Iqbal, D. Abdul Ghaffar Khan. The correct answer is Sir Muhammad Iqbal. Which act was also known as Black Bill? A. Rowlatt Act, B. Pitt's India Act, C. The Regulating Act, D. Indian Council Act. The correct answer is Rowlatt Act. Who said, the Simon Commission report should be thrown on a heap of rubbish? A. M. K. Gandhi, B. Shivaswamy Iyer, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The correct answer is Shivaswamy Iyer. The Khilafat movement was started by A. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, B. Dr. Zakir Hussain, C. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed, D. Ali brothers. The correct answer is Ali brothers. Which leader died on the day the non-cooperation movement was launched in 1920? A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Lala Lajpat Rai, C. C. Rajgopalachari, D. P. Sita Ramaya. The correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The Amirai Chehelgani was a council of how many nobles? A. 25, B. 32, C. 36, D. 40. The correct answer is 40. Who was the first Delhi Sultan died after fell down from a horse while playing Chaugan, a form of polo? A. Humayun, B. Iltutmish, C. Qutb al-Din Aibak, D. Ghiyas-ud-Din Balban. The correct answer is Qutb al-Din Aibak. In 1915, Mahatma Gandhi was awarded the Kaisar-i-Hind for contribution in A. for advocacy services, B. welfare of Harijan, C. non-violent protest in South Africa, D. ambulance services in South Africa. The correct answer is ambulance services in South Africa. Safety valve theory was given by A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. B. R. Ambedkar, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The correct answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. Which one prehistoric site of Indian is also considered as world's earliest attested ploughed field? A. Dholavira, B. Ropa, C. Lodha, D. Kalibangan. The correct answer is Kalibangan. Who is called as the father of Indian prehistory? A. Sir Robert Bruce Fort, B. Sir Alexander Cunningham, C. James Prinsep, D. James Burgess. The correct answer is Sir Robert Bruce Fort. Who deciphered Devampriya Ashoka in Musky record? A. James Prince, B. John Marshall, C. Ranade, D. Robert Bruce. The correct answer is James Prince. Which is the birthplace of Mahavira? A. Kalade, B. Kundagrama, C. Lumbini, D. Kunrattur. The correct answer is Kundagrama. Who presided the meeting of the Jain Council at Patliputra? A. Nagarjuna. B. Bhadrabahu. C. Ashoka. D. Stulabhadra. The correct answer is Stulabhadra. Who among the following emperors issued the Ashwamedha coins in India? A. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta. C. Kanishka. D. Samudragupta. The correct answer is Samudragupta. Introduction of Vernacular Press Act by Lord Lytton was nicknamed as A. The Gambling Act. B. The Grudging Act. C. The Gagging Act. D. The Giggling Act. The correct answer is the Gagging Act. By whom Devdas's system was abolished in 1925? A. Lord Reading. B. Lord Canning. C. Lord Ramsay. D. William Bentinck. The correct answer is Lord Reading. I have sold my kingdom to my beloved queen for a cup of wine and a dish of soup. Who remarked this? A. Humayun. B. Bahadur Shah I. C. Jahangir. D. Shah Jahan. The correct answer is Jahangir. In which Congress session moderates accepted the resolution on Swaraj? A. Calcutta session, 1906. B. Surat session, 1907. C. Madras session, 1908. D. Lucknow session, 1917. The correct answer is Calcutta session, 1906. Who was the in charge of Mughal troops, which invaded Pune fort of Shivaji in 1660? A. Afzal Khan. B. Shasta Khan. C. Shah Shuja. D. Murad Baksh. The correct answer is Shasta Khan. Who was the Russian traveler visited in Bamini dominions? A. Athanasius Nikitin. B. Francis Ayer. C. Dominican Edward. D. Nicholas. The correct answer is Athanasius Nikitin. Who helped Krishnadev Rai in his battle of Raichur against Bijapur Sultan? A. Bamini Sultan. B. Portuguese. C. British. D. Maratha. The correct answer is Portuguese. Out of the following, who plundered Delhi and carried away the Kohinoor diamond? A. Babur. B. Timur. C. Ahmad Shah Durrani. D. Nader Shah. The correct answer is Nader Shah. When did Vasco da Gama discover the sea route from Europe to India? A. 1497. B. 1498. C. 1499. D. 1502. The correct answer is 1498. The Greek envoy Dionysius came to India as ambassador to A. Dhanananda. B. Bindusara. C. Ashoka. D. Chandragupta Maurya. The correct answer is Ashoka. Ziauddin Bani was a political thinker during which Delhi Sultanate dynasty? A. Tughlaq dynasty. B. Khalji dynasty. C. Mamluk dynasty. D. Sayyid dynasty. The correct answer is Tughlaq dynasty. Which of the following was not a feature of Indus Valley civilization? A. Town planning. B. Use of iron. C. Use of bronze. D. Drainage system. The correct answer is use of iron. Who is known as the father of Indian archaeology? A. Sir John Marshall. B. Dayaram Sahani. C. S. R. Rao. D. Sir Alexander Cunningham. The correct answer is Sir Alexander Cunningham. Who was the first scholar to decipher the Ashokan inscriptions? A. James Prinsep. B. R. K. Mukherjee. C. Sir Alexander Cunningham. D. R. S. Sarma. The correct answer is James Prinsep. Which of the following Buddhist councils was presided over by Vasumitra? A. First Buddhist Council Rajgir. B. Second Buddhist Council Vasali. C. Third Buddhist Council Patliputra. D. Fourth Buddhist Council Kundalvana. The correct answer is Fourth Buddhist Council Kundalvana. The Sangam literary works were compiled in A. North India. B. Northeast India. C. South India. D. Takshashila. The correct answer is South India. Who assumed the power after the death of Chandragupta Maurya? A. Bindusara. B. Bimbisara. C. Ashoka. D. Kharavela. The correct answer is Bindusara. Who among the following kings was known as Devanampiya Piyadasi? A. Chandragupta Maurya. B. Samudragupta. C. Ashoka. D. Harshavarshana. The correct answer is Ashoka. Charaka Sanhita was a work on A. Medicine. B. Religion. C. Astrology. D. Law. The correct answer is Medicine. Who among the following was an ally of Harshavardhana? A. Sasanak. B. Dharmapala. C. Fahian. D. Kumar Bhaskaravarman. The correct answer is Kumar Bhaskaravarman. Who was the 23rd Tirthankar of Jainism? A. Rishabha. B. Paraswanath. C. Mahavira. D. Siddhartha. The correct answer is Paraswanath. Charak was a native of A. Kashmir. B. Rajasthan. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Punjab. The correct answer is Kashmir. Who was Mihirakula? A. Chinese pilgrim. B. An Indo-Greek ruler. C. A Saka ruler. D. A Huna invader. The correct answer is a Huna invader. The caves of Ajanta are famous for A. Sculpture. B. Paintings. C. Temples. D. Terracotta. The correct answer is paintings. Who has been described as the destroyer of the Sakas, the Yavanas and the Pallavas? A. Semukha. B. Skandagupta. C. Satkarni. D. Gautamiputra Satkarni. The correct answer is Gautamiputra Satkarni. Which Chola king assumed the title Gangaikonda and built the new capital Gangaikonda Cholapuram? A. Rajaraja. B. Rajaraja II. C. Kulottunga II. D. Rajendra I. The correct answer is Rajendra I. All India Home Rule League organization was founded in the year A. 1902. B. 1907. C. 1916. D. 1920. The correct answer is 1916. When did Alexander invade India? A. 312 BC. B. 323 BC. C. 327 BC. D. 332 BC. The correct answer is 327 BC. Who were the immediate successors of the Mauryas in Magadh? A. Shunga. B. Satavahanas. C. Kushans. D. Pandyas. The correct answer is Shunga. Hunter Commission, which is also known as India's first education commission, was established in the year A. 1882. B. 1885. C. 1889. D. 1902. The correct answer is 1882. Mahadev Govind Ranade was a member of the A. Arya Samaj. B. Prathana Samaj. C. India League. D. Theosophical Society. The correct answer is Prathana Samaj.